Information, entertainment, and education on one click. Little genius time, learn with fun and
Meow Velis greetings from Little Geniuses. I am Professor Paws, your furry friend from the Funtastic School of Knowledge. Welcome to my magical classroom, where every click brings you information, education, and a whole lot of entertainment. We'll explore amazing facts, solve cool mysteries, and laugh our tails off while learning. But wait, before we jump into the positively exciting world of learning, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with all your friends. Your support helps me work harder and keep the fun learning coming, one paw step at a time. So, are you ready? Let's open the Book of Wonders and begin the adventure together.
Little genius time, learn with fun and
Hey kids, have you ever wondered where rain comes from or how puddles disappear? Well, it's all part of something amazing called the water cycle. Let's learn about it together. The water cycle explained. Step 1. Evaporation. When the sun shines on rivers, lakes, and oceans, it heats up the water. The water turns into a gas called water vapor and rises into the sky. It's like the water is going on a magical trip. Step 2. Condensation. As the water vapor rises, it cools down and changes back into tiny water droplets. These droplets come together to form clouds. Step 3. Precipitation. When the clouds get too heavy with water droplets, they let it all go as rain, snow, or hail. That's called precipitation, so the next time it rains, you'll know why. Step 4. Collection. The rainwater flows back into rivers, lakes, and oceans. Some of it soaks into the ground and helps plants grow. Then the cycle starts all over again. And that's the water cycle. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. It keeps water moving all around our planet. Thanks for learning with us. Don't forget to drink water and stay curious. Bye for now. Like, share, subscribe for more fun learning videos.